Hello cool people. Boom, look at that. That is a sliding gate if ever I saw one. 1.8 high. It's got a super thick 150 frame by 65. Super thick, fully welded rub rail on top. Stop it from stuffing out. It's got a heavy duty hook post for the rollers, and it's got this mega Q bolt which goes down at the bottom. So this one's for a school fire access, so that's what that looks like. So it's got this manual locking system, and we get the keys. Oh, school's out. Pretty good for a manual gate. And we re-poured this strip down into this little area here, cut the curb, and then we reinstated the curb to look like the other curb. And then just because it's a manual gate, we've got this lockable Q bolt which goes down to there. So that's the manual sliding gate, heavy duty.